Hello guys, today I will share 4 Steam Deck tips that most people do not know. Tip number 1. You can return to SteamOS gaming mode from desktop by going to Start, Power Down and select Logout. So returning to the gaming mode from desktop icon is not the only option we have. Tip number 2. Even though the Steam Deck has been booted into the boot manager, you can still plug in the SD card at this moment, and it will be successfully detected. So there is no need to shut down your Steam Deck if you forgot to insert the SD card before you boot into the boot manager. This is a really helpful tip for Windows user. Tip number 3. If you have Decky Loader installed on your Steam Deck, you can still actually use the Decky Loader with the developer mode off. The Decky Loader will be working fine even if you turn off the developer mode. I think if you are a normal Steam Deck user, the developer mode should be turned off most of the time. This will maintain your Steam Deck security level. Tip number 4. I highly recommend setting your Steam Deck system update channel to stable, which will give you the most stable SteamOS experience. It will also improve the compatibility with third-party apps such as Steam Deck plugins. That's all for this video. If you think what I just shared with you is helpful, please don't forget hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching.